Hey, it's James, your friendly Hawke Media content editor. If you're watching this video, you're already a part of the Hawke family, but there are a few things you need to know so you can soar with us. Our Paginated template is one of those things. So let's dive in. When you receive an assignment from us, a document called Paginated template will be attached. We know that on first glance, this template can be overwhelming to look at, but we promise using it will save you and me a mountain of time down the line. So let's start from the top. If you've seen our editorial briefs, or if you just watched that video, you'll recognize this table. This is where all of the SEO information for your assignment lives. It's boxed this way so that the client or whoever is publishing your work can easily know what copy is meant for Google and what copy is meant for your human readers. A few tips about this section. The meta title here shouldn't just be the working title your content editor provided. Instead, you're going to want to aim for it to be 60 characters, keyword and brand name included. Be sure to also include the keyword in your meta description. Try to keep this description under 300 characters and include the keyword within the first 150. Then, you should swap out the recommended URL for the URL of the client's blog. Everything after this backslash relates to your specific article, listicle, or blog. Be descriptive, succinct, and don't forget to include the keyword here too. Once you're done, go back and highlight the keyword in each of these fields in yellow. This small step allows your content editor and the client to see at a glance that your work has been optimized for search and will win you major brownie points. Let's take a look at an example. You can see how the completed meta table in this Papa and Barkley piece translates directly into that #1 position on Google. As far as the body of your piece goes, the rest of the template should be pretty self-explanatory, and your content editor will love you forever if you stick to it. Long story short, formatting your piece this way allows the client to visualize how a piece of content will look when it's eventually published on their site. It's an extra bit of icing on the content cake that will make your content that much sweeter. So before you turn in an assignment, be sure to double check that your piece is in Calibri, everything is single-spaced, body paragraphs are in 11-point font, H3s are in 12-point font, and H2s are in 14-point font. Your headline is in 18-point font. You've left space for a hero image and included Getty Images in 9-point font, italicized and justified to the right margin. And just like that, you're this content editor's new best friend.